Hey, I'm Adam Levine. Welcome to the Adam Loves Guitar YouTube channel. If you're a guitarist who's passionate about learning but tired of spinning your wheels, this channel is for you. I've taught thousands of players over the last few decades, from beginners to pros that have gone on to play with artists like Michael Jackson and George Benson. I studied at the Berklee School of Music. I helped to design the full guitar curriculum at the Grove School of Music in Los Angeles. I taught at Musicians Institute in Hollywood. And after all that time, here's what I've learned. Most guitarists don't need more random licks or one-on-one tricks. They need a clear system, a real path, and the right kind of guidance to get them where they want to go. That's what you're going to find here. On this channel, I'll be sharing lessons, insights, and strategies based on my signature teaching method, built around rhythm, melody, and harmony. You'll learn how to connect theory to the fretboard, improvise with confidence, and become the kind of guitarist who actually grows month after month. And if you want to go deeper, I also offer live monthly workshops inside the Adam Loves Guitar Academy. Full signature courses for specific skills, and a year-long guided method for serious transformation. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell so you don't miss new videos, and leave a comment to introduce yourself. Tell me where you're from, how long you've been playing, and what your guitar goals are. Let's build your skills and your confidence one step at a time. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. For more information on the Adam Levine Guitar Academy, my signature courses, or my year-long comprehensive professional guitar program, check the information in the links below.